Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by identifying what's unwanted. Hum, aircon, traffic, or reverb. Put on closed headphones and listen. Once done, record a 5-10 second room tone to capture the noise profile. Make a quick physical fix. Change to a cardioid mic or reposition a lavalier closer to the subject and away from the noise. Use a windscreen or foam to cut plosives. These immediate steps give your software a clean reference and reduce the amount of digital repair you'll need later. Now you perform detailed removal. Import the room tone as a noise print and run spectral noise reduction, adjusting reduction and sensitivity until the subject sounds natural. Once done, insert a high-pass filter at around 80-120 Hz to remove rumble, and add narrow notch filters for persistent 50/60 Hz hum. Use a gate with short attack and release to cut background between phrases, then smooth with multi-band compression. If sibilance appears, de-ess lightly. Make sure to /B compare frequent. Finish by auditioning the whole track at normal listening levels and in mono. This reveals remaining noise and phase issues. Apply a gentle EQ for clarity, small boosts in the 2.6 Hz range, and normalize to a true peak of about -1 to -3 dB. Export using the original bitrate and save both raw and cleaned files along with the noise print and plugin settings. If you still hear artifacts, reduce reduction amount and repeat spectral passes at lower strengths to preserve natural tone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.